Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how to reset Windows 11 without losing any data. So that's been said, let's get started. So first of all, let us discuss why we should reset our Windows 11. If your Windows 11 is not working perfectly or you have some issue with the Windows 11 settings, then you can reset your Windows 11 to the factory settings. So for that, simply click on the start button. Here go to settings. Here you will find your setting page. Here simply click on system and look for recovery option. Here we have our recovery option. Simply click on this option and here you will find the option to reset your Windows 11 PC. Here simply click on reset PC and here you have to choose an option. So if you want to keep all your personal files and data, then you can simply click on keep my files, or if you want to completely reset your Windows 11 system, then you can simply click remove everything. This will remove all your personal files and data, apps and settings. If you don't want to lose your files and data, simply click on keep my files. This will remove apps and settings but keep your personal files and data. Here you can see that things are getting ready. And here we have to select the method how we want to reinstall Windows 11 on our system. Here we have two options. One is cloud download and another one is local reinstall. This will reinstall the Windows version which is currently running on your Windows 11 system. If you want to install the latest build of Windows 11, then you can simply select cloud download. In order to use cloud download option, you need to connect your Windows 11 PC to the internet. Here you can see additional settings option. Here you will find your current settings, that is, this will remove all the apps and settings that comes with Windows 11 and it will download and reinstall Windows 11 from the cloud. If you want to change these settings, you can simply click on change settings option. Here you will find an option to restore pre-installed application and download Windows 11. So if you want to restore pre-installed application, then you can simply turn this option, or else you can simply turn off this option. So I don't want to reinstall any pre-installed application on my Windows 11. That's why I will simply turn off this option and here simply click on confirm. Then here click on next. Things are getting ready. It will take some time. So wait until you get this kind of window that says ready to reset this PC. Here you can check the changes that are going to happen on your Windows 11 system. This will change all the settings back to the default, and it will keep all your personal files and data, and it will download and reinstall Windows 11 from the cloud, and it will also remove all the apps and programs you have installed on your Windows 11. You can view the list of apps by clicking on view apps, and here you can see all the apps that are going to be removed from your Windows 11 system. Here simply click on back and here click on reset. Here you can see it is preparing to reset and it is downloading the latest build of Windows 11. Here you can see the download percentage. After that, you have to set up your Windows 11 PC like you set up a new system. After that, it will automatically restart your Windows 11 machine. So we had successfully reset our Windows 11 PC. So that's it. This is how you can reset your Windows 11 PC. Now to check whether your data is saved or not, simply open File Explorer. And here you can check your driver. Here you can see all my data is saved on my Windows 11 system. If you are having some driver issue or display issue, then simply visit settings. Simply go to Windows Update and check for driver and display update and simply download the update. After that, you are ready to use your Windows 11. So that's it. This is how you can reset your Windows 11 without losing any data. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.